In this video, we're going to break down a powerful all-in-one TradingView indicator that combines Parabolic SAR, EMA 200, and MACD to give clear buy and sell signals. Let's dive in and see how it works, how to use it, and most importantly, how to trade with confidence using this setup. This indicator is a combo of three powerful tools. First is Parabolic SAR that gives early signal of trend reversals. The second tool is EMA 200 that helps identify overall trend direction. And the last tool is MACD that confirms momentum with crossover signals. Together, they generate buy and sell signals on the chart, making decision-making easier for you. Now the best part is, the indicator comes pre-optimized for key timeframes: 15-minute, 1-hour, 2-hour, and 4-hour. These custom settings are designed to filter out noise and only show high-probability signals, so you don't need to tweak much. But you can adjust settings for lower timeframes using this table. However, always remember, it's best to backtest it on your chosen asset, whether you trade Forex, crypto, or indices. Let's now walk through how to use this indicator to actually take trades. A buy label will appear when the price is above the 200 EMA, so overall trend is up. Parabolic SAR is below the price, indicating bullish signal. MACD confirms with upward crossover. But for the higher win rate, take trades only, which offers near to at least 1/1 RR, and make sure the SL isn't too big, as it might indicate the market has already moved a lot. Let's move towards entry technique now. Take entry when the buy signal appears, enter on that candle closing. Put stop loss just below the previous swing low, and take profit at the previous swing high. The sell label shows when the price is below the 200 EMA, so overall trend is down. Parabolic SAR is above the price, indicating bearish signal. MACD confirms with downward crossover. Enter short on the candle closing after appearing of the signal. Put stop loss just above the previous swing high, and take profit at the previous swing low or a favorable risk to reward according to your backtesting result of your desired pair. If you like this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more indicator reviews, strategies, and tutorials. Also, drop a comment below. Do you want me to backtest each indicator over the last 100 trades? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.